정말로 다시들레 다리 발레 plain sway 암도 발레 춘진되는데 oven 나라 되친 아니 단다 bake chamber 다리 투시카오기 sway bread flour so we are going to make homemade bread. 여기 간대 찍다. Yes. 뭐야 그 차돼? This chai so much. Last design 주면 돼. Air pockets. So we are making palette bread, homemade bread, very plain, nothing inside. Just plain bread using bread flour. And I'm going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes and then flip it back. They also made banana bread. So this is banana bread. We got the recipe from online on YouTube. So we'll see. So we're just waiting for the oven to bake at 350. Anyways, there's no rules. It's ready now. I'm almost done poking. So we put all the bread inside. So we're gonna take this out in 20 minutes and flip it over, and we're gonna leave the banana bread about 1 hour. That's what they said. Here's a palais. Looks beautiful, and I'm going to try with my chili. Palais in the chaso. I'm doing a chishta. Palais abu pichasha. Shune disa. In the chasha de. The sivenum the mora ni hang sang. Solid thandatisaurisha. It's very hot right now. We just had a hot chili, so I'm gonna try with my chili, but the bread itself is very hot. This is chili serrano, saute with onions and tomatoes and salt and pepper for taste. So let me see. 어떡해. Tomato paste challenge. Okay. Oh my god, it is so hot. 백화차워 항상 식당에 차워 코어디 비티스트. The sauce. I'm having a running nose. Oh my god.